Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to uninstall Java JDK in Windows 11. Let's get into it. First, to check our Java software, go ahead to search and type in command prompt. In here, type in java space-version. After that, hit enter. You will see the version of your Java software and the year. So in my case, I got 19.0 version and 2023 version. To uninstall it, go to your taskbar and search for Control Panel. Go ahead and click Programs. In here, you will see Uninstall a program. After that, you have to find Java software to be able to uninstall it. Just right-click and click Uninstall. Just wait for a few seconds and we will go back to command prompt to check if it is done. Go ahead and type in again java space-version. See, command prompt is not recognizing Java software anymore. Just that simple. I hope this video helped you out.